Good morning, guys, and welcome to our channel once again. Once again, I welcome you all for our channel here. This is a Knowledge Hub, and our today's topic of discussion is about National Testing Agency. Okay, so that we are going to study about National Testing Agency today, about NTA. Okay, those who don't know the full form of this, I would like to inform you that this is what the National Testing Agency is. Okay, I show you guys here. See, this is our National Testing Agency, which is called NTA. Okay, guys, is it clear? Okay, so National Testing Agency has been established as a premier specialist, autonomous and self-sustained testing organization. Okay, see, you need to understand premier specialist and the new word for you guys may be autonomous. Okay, what does it mean? It's an adjective. You need to understand this is an adjective and it means independent. Okay, so any organization which is independent, it is called autonomous. Okay, is it clear? So it's an autonomous and self-sustained testing organization to conduct the entrance examination for admission, fellowship in higher educational institution. Okay, what is their role? What they do to conduct the entrance examination for the admission to the fellowship in the higher educational institution. This is the role of NTA. Okay, they may ask you this kind of question. You should know that because they have the 150 marks question paper is there, so they can ask you anything. Okay, to be ready. Okay, the next thing about the NTA is to assess the competence of the candidate. Okay, here the word is used assess. Assess means to judge. Okay. To judge the competence of the candidates for admission and recruitment has always been a challenge in terms of matching with the research-based international standards, efficiency, transparency, and error-free delivery. The National Testing Agency is ensured to address all such issues using the best in every field, for from test preparation to test delivery, okay, and test marking. That this all job and responsibility has been given to whom? This all job and responsibility has been given to our NTA, whose full form is National Testing Agency. Okay, and the tagline of this, they may ask you what is the tagline of National Testing Agency. So you should know the tagline for National Testing Agency is excellence in assessment. Okay, excellence in assessment. Is it clear about the NTA? Okay, we move ahead. Okay, guys, ahead we have the vision of NTA. Okay, so the right candidates join best institution will give India a demographic dividend. Okay, now this term here, this may be the new for you guys, that is called demographic dividend. Okay, now what is this demographic dividend? Demographic word can be used as a noun, also it can be used as an adjective also. Okay, and what does it mean? It means the data relating to the population and different groups within it. Okay, especially of a country. Okay, when we are talking about the data which are relating to the population of and the different kind of groups existing in a country. Okay, so that is called demographic in the sense. All right, guys. So what is the mission of NTA? The mission is to improve the quality, equity and quality in the education. Okay, this is the first thing you need to remember, to improve equity and the quality in education by administrating the research-based valid, reliable, efficient, transparent, fair and international level of assessment. Okay, this is what they do it, as you can see. Okay, to improve the equity and quality in education by administrating research-based, valid, reliable, efficient, transparent, fair, and international level assessment. The best subject matter experts, psychometricians. Okay, now here the word is used for you guys, that is called psychometrician. Now some of you may not be knowing that what is a psychometrician. For them, I would like to tell you that this actual word is derived from the term called psychometric. Okay, there is a word called psychometric. Okay, and what is psychometric? Psychometric, I tell you, this psychometric is a field of study concerned with the theory and technique of psychological measurement. Okay, so now who is the psychometrician here? Okay, psychometrician is a person, one who does the study of psychometric. And psychometric, I told you, it is a field of study concerned with the theory and technique of psychological management. Okay, so what it includes also the psychometricians and IT delivery, okay, and security professional. Okay, also security professionals are also part of it. Will ensure that the current gaps in existing assessment systems are properly identified and bridged. Okay, now so what this NTA does, that it ensure that the current gaps in existing assessment system are properly identified. First, the job of NTA is to find it out where is the loophole in our education system, what are the gaps are there, okay, and then to fill the gap. Okay, like for example, just I'm giving a small example to for your better understanding, that there is a school, okay, and there are no proper number of teachers. So who will fill this gap? Okay, this is their responsibility. I have given you a small example. Okay, now next further we have its core values. Okay, what are these core values? So NTA will create a system which will promote the teaching by teachers, learning by students, and assessment by parents and institution. Okay, so you should know that, okay, who does the teaching by teachers, learning by student, and assessment by parents and institution. Okay, and also NTA strongly believes in quality, efficiency, effectiveness, equality, and security of assessment. Okay, to practice these values, NTA will constantly engage with its stockholders, with students, parents, teachers, experts, and parents institution, partner institutions. Okay, so this is about the core value of NTA. Okay, next we have objectives of NTA, of National Testing Agency. Okay, what are the objectives? The first objective here is given, that is your, okay, the first one. All right, this is the first one: to conduct efficient, transparent, and international standards test in order to assess the competency here means ability of candidates for admission and recruitment purpose. This is the first objective. Now the objective number 2: to undertake the research on educational, professional, and testing systems to identify gaps in the knowledge systems and take steps for bridging them. Okay, so what it does, to identify the gap in the knowledge system and take step to bridge them. Means bridge them here means to fill that gap where we are lacking. Okay. The third one is to identify experts and institutions in setting the examination question, that who are the expert of this particular field, and then to recruit them, and the institutions, those who are working on it, to collaborate with them. Okay, this is the third objective. And the fourth one is to produce and disseminate information. Okay, now here the word is used, disseminate. Okay, disseminate, I would like to tell you, disseminate means spread. Okay, to produce or disseminate means to spread the information about knowledge and research on education and professional development standard. Okay, so now what we have done, guys, we have seen here the four objectives. These are the four main objectives of National Testing Agency that you're supposed to remember. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, guys, we go ahead. Okay, next we have what are the major functions of the national testing agencies. Okay, so first we have to identify the partners institutions with adequate information. Okay, to identify the partner institution with adequate infrastructure from the existing schools and higher education institution, which would facilitate conduct of online examination without adversely impacting their academic routine. Okay, so what the NTA does, the NTA partners to identify the partner institution, first thing. Okay, they make partnership. Okay, and those, which kind of partners they find? Those who have adequate means sufficient infrastructure. Okay, for conducting exams, etc. Okay, especially the online one. All right. Okay, now if we look at the second point here, to create a question bank for all the subjects using modern techniques. This is also the job of your NTA. All right, and the next one is to establish a strong R&D culture. Okay, now what is this R&D culture over here? You may be wondering. This R&D culture means research and development. Okay, research and development we are talking about. So as culture as well as a pool of experts in different aspects of testing. Okay, so this is also their job, to establish a strong R&D culture. All right. The next one is to help the individual colleges and university in the field of testing and to provide training and advisory services to the institution in India. Okay, to help individual and college and universities in the field of testing and to provide training and advisory services. All right, to provide quality testing services. In brief, if we'll say, so to provide the quality testing services to the academic institutions in India. Okay, till here it is clear, guys. We go ahead. Here are the last 3 points. Uh, so the next one is to develop a state of art culture of tasting in India by using domestic and international expertise. Okay, to develop what is state of art and culture of tasting in India. Okay, by using domestic and international expertise, means they take the advice from the experts from all over India as well as from the abroad. To collaborate with international organizations like ETS to achieve the same, and for the purpose what National Testing Agency is doing. National Testing Agency is, okay, collaborating with the international organization. Okay, and what is that your international organization? That is like, for example, they are given the name of one organization that is called ETS. Okay, and what is this ETS? They can ask you this question. This may come that what is the full form of ETS? So you should know. This is Education Testing Services. Okay, I repeat again. It is Education Testing Services to achieve the same. Okay, guys. Now, the next one is to undertake any other examination that is entrusted to it by the ministries, departments of Government of India or state government. Okay, it is a responsibility of National Testing Agency to conduct any other sort of examination. Okay, that may be given either by ministry or the department of the Government of India or the state government. Okay, and the last one here is, okay, to undertake the reforms and training of school boards as well as the other bodies where the testing standards should be comparable with the entrance examination. Okay, to undertake the reform means to change. Okay, and training of school boards. Okay, they also provide training to the school board that what they should do and what they should not do it. Okay, is it clear? Okay, guys, so this is here. Today's topic is all about the National Testing Agency. I have further more to discuss, so maybe I will discuss tomorrow on this topic with this, or maybe in the next video whenever we get the time. Accordingly, I will go. Okay, so meanwhile, keep preparing and don't lose the hope. Hope is the only rope of success. Okay, guys, so once again, I wish you good luck ahead for your examination. All the best and prepare well. Bye bye.